Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some small cottage granny chic home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. A small cottage granny chic home decorating is a cozy decorating style that blends the charm of a small cottage with the nostalgic elegance of traditional granny decor. It creates a warm, welcoming home filled with vintage furniture, soft textiles, floral patterns, and treasured accessories, while making the most of a compact space. Here are some practical tips for creating a beautiful, small cottage granny chic home. Add lace curtains to soften natural light while maintaining privacy. Choose furniture with curved edges and classic details instead of sharp modern lines. Use open plate racks to display pretty dishes and teacups. Hang dried flower wreaths on doors or walls for year-round charm. Use embroidered table runners instead of heavy tablecloths for a lighter look. Decorate with vintage-inspired animal pictures, watering cans, or milk jugs. Keep a few scented candles with soft fragrances like lavender, vanilla, or rose. Use glass front cabinets to display favorite vintage collections. Choose brass, bronze, or antique style hardware for cabinets and drawers. Add handmade crochet basket liners for extra texture and charm. Use soft, natural fabrics such as linen and cotton for slipcovers and curtains. Leave a little empty space between decorative items so the room feels cozy rather than crowded. Use white painted wood paneling to brighten small rooms. Decorate windows with simple floral valances or cafe curtains. Add a small antique side table beside your favorite chair. Choose slip-covered sofas or armchair in neutral fabrics. Display handmade crochet pillow covers for a cozy touch. Mix fresh flowers with giant arrangements for year-round beauty. Use wooden crates to organize blankets, magazines, or firewood. Add soft striped or floral cushions with window seats and benches. Display a collections of antique glass bottles or messengers. Use natural oven placemats and linen napkins on the dining table. Keep seasonal decorations subtle, using natural materials like pine cones, wildflowers, or branches. Finish each room with one meaningful handmade item, such as a crochet blanket, embroidered sampler, or quilt, to make the space feel warm, personal, and authentically granite. Create small, cozy conversation areas instead of one large sitting arrangement. Decorate shelves with a mix of books, candles, and small ceramic pitchers. Layer vintage-style rugs to add warmth and texture. Use floral or embroidered lampshades to soften the lighting. Add a vintage-style wall clock as a charming focal point. Use wooden bedboards or cutting boards as decorative kitchen accents. Store blankets in a wicker basket beside the sofa. Decorate with porcelain or stoneware pictures on open shelves. Hang a simple quilt or vintage textiles as wall art. Add a small stool beside a chair to create a comfortable reading spot. Use soft, muted patterns instead of bold, modern prints. Decorate corners with potted ferns, ivy, or small flowering plants. Choose antique-style drawer pulls and cabinet knobs to enhance vintage character. Use oven trays to organize candles, tea cups, or small decorative items on tables. Focus on comfort above perfection. A granite cottage should feel welcoming, relaxed, and full of treasured memories. Choose furniture with a weathered or distressed finish to add vintage character. Use soft pastel cushions to brighten neutral seating. Place a vintage-style quilt at the foot of the bed. Decorate with white ceramic pictures filled with fresh greenery. Add plush or crochet table toppers to side tables and dressers. Use glass jars to store pantry staples while creating a charming display. Hang oven baskets on the wall for both storage and decoration. Add a small vintage-inspired bench in the hallway or entryway. Use floral or gingham fabric to line shelves or drawers. Decorate with antique-style lanterns or candle holders. Choose warm wood tones instead of glossy finishes for a cozy atmosphere. Add embroidered hand towels in the kitchen and bathroom. Mix different shades of white and cream to create depth without overwhelming a small space. Paint interior doors in soft cream or shell green instead of bright white. Display handmade crochet baskets for storing yarn, magazines, or small accessories. Mix brush and edged iron finishes for a collected, timeless look. Choose furniture with exposed wooden legs to make small rooms feel more open. Thanks for watching the video.